Hello Kenta friends! Today we are going to explore 3 top Android applications. Let's dive in and see how these apps can improve your Android experience. Fancy Optimizer. Fancy Optimizer is an excellent application for Android devices that serves as a cleaning and performance optimization tool. Its main goal is to enhance the overall performance and efficiency of your device by carrying out various functions such as cleaning unnecessary files, managing background running applications, and speeding up the devices. The app effectively junk files and other unnecessary data, thereby freeing up valuable storage space on your device. Additionally, Fancy Optimizer comes equipped with a battery saver feature that helps extend your device's battery life by optimizing power consumption. Master Clean. Master Clean is a versatile application designed to clean up your Android device's storage space and boost its performance. This powerful tool helps optimize your device by clearing out temporary, cache, and other unnecessary files that may be clogging up your storage. By removing these files, Master Clean effectively enhances the speed and efficiency of your device, leading to smoother and more responsive performance. In addition to cleaning junk files, the application allows you to uninstall unused apps, manage background running applications, and streamline system processes for better overall performance. Fancy Security. Fancy Security is a comprehensive security application that offers robust protection for your Android device against various security threats, including malware, viruses, and other potential risks. The app features a powerful virus scanner that thoroughly scans your device for malicious software and ensures that your device remains free from harmful threats. Additionally, Fancy Security provides browser protection to safeguard your online activities and ensure secure browsing. The app also includes privacy protection features that help protect your sensitive data and maintain your privacy. And that wraps up our review of Fancy Optimizer, Master Clean, and Fancy Security. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.